depends how long they take getting them to me. I have to kind of follow them. But if you want to buy a kit, I'm not sure if I put the kit up for this one yet. Look, how cute is that? So we start off at the beginning of the book. The drawing tasks are much simpler, and as you go further through, they become a little bit more detailed. Some of them are cutesy, some of them are more serious. Some of them have got patterns, but you'll see it's a very full book. You've got lots to do in here. And then once you've learnt to draw it onto the grid in the book, you can then draw it onto, say, a piece of A4 with your own pencil grid. Once you've drawn it, once you've outlined it with a liner pen, because you will get... Now, I had the liner pen in my hand a minute ago. What have I done with it now? Ah, there it is. You'll get a liner pen with your kit. You can outline it on a piece of A4 and then rub out your background. So this is basically a really good way to transfer images that you see that you want to draw, paint, colour. And lots of people, artists, use the grid method as a way of transferring images to draw and paint, even professionals. I don't know if any of you have seen the Portrait Artist of the Year or anything, and they tend to, a lot of them, put grids, take a photo of the person sat there, put a grid over it and paint from that. They're not even looking at the person sat there, and they're sat all day. I don't get it. Anyway, if you are in the room, please give me a follow. Please double tap the screen. It will be much appreciated. So here we are. Here's a cutesy little dragon. There's a few of these dragons in jars because I just found them to be so cute. I do buy the designs off other people. I don't tend to have the time to draw every single design in the book, but some I do. So they tend to get more difficult as the book goes on. Sometimes they're cutesy, sometimes they're a bit more serious. But it's a really handy book if you want to have something to take to the beach. Well, maybe not in January, but you know what I mean. Take to the coffee shop, sit on the bus with, sit on the train with. All you need is a pencil and a rubber, and you're done. And if you buy the kit, you also get, as I've just said, you also get the A5 book of sketchbook paper, so you can transfer the grid again, draw it, rub the grid out, and then you're left with your image to colour. You'll get the full set of graded pencils, you'll get the full set of colour pencils, and you also get the sharpener and the eraser.